How to add motion blur in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Select the clip that you want to add motion blur to and head up to Effects and search for Transform. Next, select the transform effect and drag this onto your clip. Once you've done this, go into Effect Controls and scroll down to the transform parameters. Once we're here, we want to deselect Use Composition Shutter Angle, and we want to change the value of the shutter angle anywhere between 180 and 360. If you want a more extreme blur, I would go for 360. Once you've done that, we can then start to add some keyframes. What I'm going to do is come into the scale, and I'm going to set my first keyframe at 100%. I'm then going to move forward about 15 frames, and I'm going to change my scale to 50. Next, I'm going to select the two keyframes that I've just made, right click and then choose Ease In. And if we just play our clip back, we can see that we've achieved that motion blur effect as it zooms out, and that's all there is to it.